And we're back to Audition. Let me show you one more thing that's going to help your audio significantly, but to be able to explain it properly. It's two things that work in conjunction. To be able to explain it properly, we'll first go back to the amplification that I've already shown you in an earlier video. For example, use it right here under Effects. Then Amplitude and Compression, it's the first option. Let us go to, for example, 3 dB. And it's going to level up the entire audio by 3 dB. So you can see if we compare it to the original, everything has gotten louder. We'll go back to the original, then Effects, Amplitude and Compression, and now we use Normalize. And here again, we'll use dB, set it to 3, and then add by using Apply. And it looks totally different. In fact, it looks like nothing really has happened. And in principle, amplifying and normalization is somewhat the same. But the one is, you could say, absolute. The other one is more relative. Let us use Amplify again by 3 dB. And now we'll use Normalize once more with minus 3 dB. And now it works. So it was able to get it down a little bit. Normally, I use relative values for Normalize. I go to around 70% and apply it. And then you should use a tool that's used in conjunction with it. Under Amplitude and Compression, you can find the hard limit. And when I use this, it becomes very clear what the Normalize does. I use a preset of minus 6 dB. This is what I usually use for my audio on YouTube. In our specific case, you can see we have a little bit of a peak here. And at the start, that's above 6 dB. So this is going to get cut by the hard limit. And now if we use normalization again, 70%, you can see everything gets a little bit stretched. Once more, Amplitude and Compression hard limit, 6 dB, apply. And now we've basically brought up the softer parts of your audio, while always cutting the louder parts with the hard limit. And this is leveling your entire audio. So no matter if you speak, you naturally do that a little bit louder here, a little bit softer there. By using hard limit and normalization, you can even that out and bring balance to it so that you don't have this constant peak of loud and then a drop to soft audio recordings. And that is the difference to amplifying. Amplifying just brings it all up. Using hard limit and normalize, it's going to level it out. When I do my YouTube recordings, I like to use that 2 times. You can use it only once, and if you're fine with the leveling, that's good. You can even use it more than 2 times, totally up to you and the recording that you've got. But for me, using Normalize and then hard limit 2 times with these values, so 70% for Normalize and 6 dB for hard limit, this is creating the best results, at least for my recordings. So try that out yourself when you want to do YouTube videos, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.